There's so many LUTs out there for free, for sale, but what you really find is that filmmakers really settle on only using a handful of LUTs. So I've worked hard to create the best set of cinematic LUTs that we've ever created, so you have the same collection I use and a go-to set for elevating the look of your brand. Now, what really separates one LUT pack from another? The criteria I use goes back to my experience and opportunity of creating the original video filters in the Instagram app. Skin tones are the most important. Looks have to be designed with the skin tones in mind to enhance or preserve them as much as possible. Secondly, LUTs must work in a wide variety of lighting situations and setups. If a LUT only works for one scene or setup, it's not a good LUT. Of course, a LUT isn't going to work for every situation, but as you browse through them, you should quickly be able to see which LUT packs look good and which ones are simple color washes or tints that are either too strong or muddy up the subject. With these 70 LUTs, you're getting some for log to Rec. 709 conversion that look really nice for your camera. Some for creative looks based on Hollywood films, and some for emulating 35mm film. Judging the quality of LUTs is something you can see, so you'll see some examples here and you can download them for free. There will be a link to download them in the description below. Let's roll the LUTs.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes, baby. You think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily, and I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby, I can see the summer on you. You see all the bread, and I know it make you wonder, don't you, don't you, don't you? Ooh, I ain't surprised at all. Seen them rise and fall. Went up the mountain, it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top, I found some relief. I finally got some peace. Carry on, but please don't mess up the mood. Yeah, I worked too hard for it. No, I need it, beat it, before you mess up the mood. Yeah, ooh, I worked too hard for it, and I need it, so please don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Don't mess up the mood. Yeah, oh come on, I worked too hard for it. Yeah, don't mess up the mood.
The way to use these on your footage is to use the log to Rec. 709 LUTs for your camera first, or for best results, color correct manually to get to a good starting point. Then from there, you can apply the creative LUTs or the film LUTs to create a look that people go crazy for. If you like these and you feel like they're worth the money, I recommend Cinema Grade for viewing all of your LUTs at once before applying them, which means finding the right look for your project easier and faster. It offers point-and-click color grading directly in the viewer and works as a plugin inside of Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro 10. I'll also include a link for it in the description. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Denver Riddle, and I want to wish you all the best on your projects with these free cinematic LUTs. Enjoy.